In Rebelle version 6, as well as earlier versions, you can apply brush strokes to any part of the layer or image. But what you can also do is you can limit the range, and you can use stencils for that. Now I'm going to use this stencil, the chestnut. Just click here, and then you've got your stencil. You can find that in Window and down here to Stencils. And these stencils can be resized, modified using these controls just here in the top right. So top right, you can move it, you can also rotate it, and you can also resize it. So you might want to make it slightly smaller. You've also got some additional controls as well, but let's just apply now the brush. So you can see what happens. It just applies to that area. Now you can see it actually also extends beyond. So if I just continue painting, you can see it going out like that. The reason being, I haven't set the border. It's just stenciled to this area. So that's the stencil area, and you've got the brush there. So let's just hide it. And you can hide and show at any time just by going here. So show and hide. You can see the stencil. Then, not now. So you can see you can change that. But you've also got controls here, and you've got invert. So if you want to, instead of applying it inside, you can apply it outside. So invert, and now when you apply it, it just doesn't obviously go inside. So you can apply the black there, and it's just applied around the edge. So maybe let's just go for white instead of black. So very rapidly you can build up all kinds of stencils. You can also go here, going back to the normal default. You can also flip it. So flip vertically, flips it up the other way, or flip horizontal. Let's just go there, flip horizontal. You can just apply it, very limited transforms, but these are the best transforms, simply just resizing it. And let's just put that back to default. Now, if you don't want to go beyond that area, use border. So go here to border, and now let's apply yellow. It's good to change colours just so you can see the difference. So apply yellow there to that area, and it's limited again to that chestnut. But you this time, because of that border option, you can see it doesn't apply it beyond that edge. So what you can do, if you don't want that, you want to go back to what it was before, you can always just click here and just turn that off. There's also another great option, and that's the tile feature. So let's just resize this. Just go there, resize it a bit, maybe reposition it, and also rotate it. You can do it any way, whole range of different options. There's no shear, unfortunately. That would be really nice. But you click here, and you can go for tile. And then that just repeats. It's a seamless tile beyond, obviously, all the way to the edge of the document. And you can apply. Let's go for a different colour. Let's go for blue. So this time blue. And you can see the blue there, applied there, but also extends down here. So you can see, you can create the blue there, and there's another one there, and so on. So you can build up a very complex design very quickly using this, obviously, tile feature. But as you can move it, so here's the option here, so you can move, resize it, I'm just resizing it by accident. You can move it to a different position, maybe go and change the colour again. Let's go for pink. You can apply again to a different area, this pattern design. So it's just repeated, moved around. You can build up complex pattern designs very rapidly using this. And of course, what you can also do is you can remove it now. One trouble is sometimes you have to resize that, zoom in a bit or zoom out, and then move it around. And you can resize it. You can see then you've got all your tiles. Again, let's just go for white, so you can then see you apply that. And you can see, build that up. And again, you can use different colours, different brushes, all kinds of different designs can be created using this tiling effect. And again, apply like that. You can still also use the invert, so you can apply it outside as well. So invert, then go there, let's set to black this time, and apply it. And you can then see, build up a design. Now, the previous designs that you've applied, they're covered over. If there's no stencil there, then they will be covered over. And you can see all kinds of different designs can be built. And again, of course, you can use here, you've got here layer. Let's just close this now. I'm just going to stop this. So let's remove. You can remove. You can also lock and lock it there. But I'm going to remove it. So it's removed. You can also, of course, go to the layers panel and you can add a new layer. So here's a new layer, so click there. With that, maybe go for a different brush or use the same brush. You could use watercolours, perfectly reasonable, but I'm using Express Oils. And again, go and select one of these ones, maybe that. And you've got that design. Again, you can resize it, put it to tile, and then let's go for a different colour. So let's just apply it like that. Let's go for green, I should say. Green there. You can see all kinds of different designs can be built up. Now, what you can also do, of course, you've got blending modes. It's a layer. So you've got the previous one that you had with the tiling as well. This time you've got these layers. You can go here, blend modes, and maybe go with difference. And you can see now you've got that. So again, pink. And again, apply again. Now you don't have to fill the entire thing. You can fill just parts of it. Just part of the area. And you can see you can build up really complex designs. And of course you can still also, with this, go to filters, apply all these filters like curves. All those sorts of things can be applied as well. And you can see you can tweak that and click apply to build up complex designs with stencils in Rebelle version 6, as well as, of course, earlier. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you much.